We're in the site development business. We predominantly work with industrial, institutional, and commercial projects from site acquisitions right through the development and turnkey operations. You know, you can build the dream team with all sorts of fancy guys, and usually they come with attitudes. We've compiled a good group of guys, and we pick guys now by attitude. If they got the can-do attitude, can we get it done, look at ways to improve and solve problems and to get through the day, and that's what we've got. Today we're working at the Indian Hill Music Facility in Groton. What's going to be interesting about this is this takes a combination of things that we've worked on for years, building schools and other municipal buildings, and it puts it all into one private setting where we'll build a 120,000 square foot building that's very unique, not only to this area and region, but also to the country. We made a very big change a couple of years ago. The first machine that we tried, we were replacing a 30-ton machine. Our salesman called me, he knew we were looking, and the next thing I know, we had a machine here on site, and after we tried the machine for a few weeks, we moved into an acquisition and purchased that one. And then that was the beginning, and since then I think we've bought 5 excavators and 4 wheel loaders. And so far we've had great luck and great success with these machines. The 300 may be my favorite. It's got some real size, it's got some capacity, it's got some braking force. So I do like the 300. The excavator sizes that we have, we start at the 140 for smaller jobs. It's got the twisting capacity, and it's got a multiple group of buckets that we put on it. That's very useful. Quickly change them over, and guys can be doing multiple tasks in the course of one day. We've got a 225, a 235, and a 490. If I were to compare the other machines on the market, they're very similar, but when you look at the support, and then the key piece is you look at the attitude. They've got a good aggressive attitude, and that also contributed to make the shift. The dealer relationship has been very good, and that also plays a part in those decisions. We haven't had to have any machines pulled out and replaced with another. Dealer support is key. Technical support is right there with it. Even though we have our own maintenance staff, we need to be able to get that technical support. We need to be able to have the advice. We need to be able to have the access to that information quickly, because downtime is expensive. I think what makes a difference is your ability to execute the project and how well you're going to do it. The color of the machine doesn't matter as much. To me, bottom line matters, workforce matters, how dependable the machines matter. Part of my thoughts with Doosan was they're new, it's a challenge, it's a risk. We need to weigh in many options as to what's going to help us make that decision. And we've looked at those. We've looked at the dealer, we've looked at the attitude, we looked at the company, the corporation. We've done what we can for profiling to see how they're going to make it. We do know that the last round of machines that we had, we run them 15 to 25,000 hours. We believe these have that capacity, and that's really what we're looking for. We're looking for a good machine with great support, dealer, manufacturer, reputation, something that's going to give us long-term viability, proven the test of time, and that's our goal and objective, and we hope they succeed, and we want to succeed right there with them.